Welcome to Imperia, a coastal city in northwest Italy's Liguria region that is known for its stunning Mediterranean beaches, olive groves, and historic architecture. The city combines the charm of two former towns, Porto Maurizio and Oneglia, offering visitors a blend of picturesque harbors, vibrant markets, and scenic coastal views. Imperia is located on the Italian Riviera in the Liguria region of northwest Italy, near the border with France. It sits along the Ligurian Sea, between the cities of Genoa and San Remo. Our journey begins at the Gru del Porto di Oneglia, a historic crane located in Imperia's Oneglia harbor, originally used for unloading ships and symbolizing the city's industrial past. Today, it stands as a unique monument, showcasing the maritime heritage and craftsmanship of the Ligurian coast. The beaches of Imperia offer a mix of sandy and pebbled shores, set against the clear turquoise waters of the Ligurian Sea. From lively beach clubs to quiet, secluded spots, visitors can enjoy sunbathing, swimming, and stunning coastal views along the Riviera. To our right, San Giovanni Battista, also known as the Cathedral of Porto Maurizio, is an impressive Baroque church in Imperia, recognized for its grand facade and intricate interior frescoes. Built in the 18th century, it stands as one of the largest churches in Liguria and a testament to the region's rich architectural heritage. Imperia Centro is the lively heart of the city, filled with bustling markets, charming cafes, and a variety of shops that showcase the local Ligurian culture. Its narrow streets and historic buildings reflect the blend of old-world charm and modern life, making it a popular destination for both locals and visitors. Thank you for watching.